salespeople waste so many hours manually digging for the right contact person and information about the company. What if I show you a way where you can get the correct contact person, top three competitors of that business, and the most important decision makers in that company in 5 seconds? Let me introduce you to the lead contact automation that we have built here at Tamir Systems. So what you would do is you will start with a Google spreadsheet, in which I'm going to go to spreadsheet number 1, and we have some company information. This was an actual project we built for a salesperson. Here you would provide your leads. You would do a simple copy and paste. And then what you would do is you would change the status. Let's do Clinch Home Service. You would change the status from pending to ready and watch the automation do its thing. By the time I get back to clicking over here, as it goes through its process, we will have the decision makers, their roles, email, phone numbers, and we also have that company, its top 3 competitors, and the industry that it is in, and you saw it all in a matter of 5 seconds. So this is what we build here at Tamir Systems. We build smarter systems for our clients as an AI consulting company. This was a project that we actually did for a client here. Again, this is as you saw, fast, smooth, and clean. Let's go to ready here. It does its thing on the back end. I use make.com. By the time we come back, we have the information as you see it populating with the correct contact people, information about that business, and then on the back end gives a summary of those leads and that company once it's done in a matter, as you can see, 5 seconds right here. So that's what we wanted to show. This was my very first automation. There's a company link to mirai.com. Book your free consultation call and get with us. We got smarter systems.